personality can shine like anything. Believe me, just try doing it, because you have a new vision to the situation. So therefore, keep your vision very clear, that this is what I want from 5 years from now. How do I see myself? कि 5 years आज से मुझे कहाँ पहुँचना है? You'll say, I don't plan future. Nobody likes to plan for the future, but you have to take your steps to try and keep a target for yourself. Whether you reach there or no is a second story. But what you need to do is you need to have a vision. Ki I must start doing some voluntary work. It's after retirement. I must go and help some needy. I can read for the blind. I can write for somebody who's a dyslexic. I can opt for something, where I can give my services because I'm very good in numerical ability. Whatever. So what you need to do is to have a vision. Once you have a vision, you need to make your mission that I have to reach my vision. So your mission is how you are going to reach that. 5 years from now, I want to make 10 lakhs of rupees. How am I going to make 10 lakhs? What is the procedure I need to make 10 lakhs? Am I willing to put in that much hard work and find some kind of work where I can make some 10 lakhs in the next 5 years? This is how, and I want to invest in that property, or I want to buy something. All requires not one night, overnight decision. It requires a lot of hard work. Suppose there's a big rock over here, and I hit it, 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, it doesn't break into two. And then 99 times I get so fed up and I say, now enough, I can't break it. But then my inner voice tells me, no, do one hard one and you will break it into two. And I give one hard one and it breaks into two. So you say, wow, 100th time this thing broke. But my 100th strike did not break it. What I had put 99 times before, all that added to make it the 100th time. So every little step of yours doesn't go waste. Your voice will be answered. Your decisions will be answered. But because we have our negative qualities of impatience, hurriedness, impoliteness, rudeness, that we are not able to understand our personality. So where is my personality taking me? Let me understand my personality. What are my drawbacks? So have you ever thought about polishing yourself? We polish our shoes, we polish our clothes, but what about our personality? So every personality has to have many, many good qualities, more than the negative qualities. So what are my good qualities? Let me bring out the best of me today. Let me think about myself. What are my good qualities? Now once you are able to identify, the identification is the most difficult part, because we don't even know what we are good at. That's the whole thing. Forget what we want. We don't even know what I'm good at. Am I a good speaker? Am I a good helper? Or good cooking? I know little of this, little of this, little of this. I'm a jack of all trades, master of none. That's what I am. That's okay. You be a jack of all trades. It's good to learn everything. But then you have a special ability. There's no two persons who can be alike. If he has something good about him, it is only he who will have that. I know he has patience, and I also have little patience, but his patience is very diversified. He has patience even to stand in front of the fire, a building which is burnt up. But I may shriek, if I have to go away. So the courage and confidence which he may be having may not be there in me. Therefore, no two individuals can be alike. So first of all, identify where am I right or where am I wrong. That's very important. So identification. Second is your time management. If you want to be effective in your personality, so what are the most important things I need to do? So make a segregation of your time. How do you spend your time? Are you just taking walks and phoning people up, unnecessarily talking on your mobile phones, and just looking at same serials again and again? It's not that it is bad, but you need to do your most important things first. First. That is important. So every morning when you wake up, say these are the things I need to do today and I have to finish because this is my deadline. And of course, maintaining your relationships. If you have a cousin somewhere far off, once in a way, a good letter, a one-liner letter or a one phone call will make all the difference in your life. So what is important and what is not important has to be distinguished very clearly in your mind. And if you are able to do that, you can leave the less important things, but the most urgent is what you need to handle. Today you have to handle your urgent matters. So this comes under your personality. How can I manage my negative emotions which are troubling me? Okay, you know what you want in life, how you want in life, now you have understood how you are going to manage your time. But sometimes you're very angry, you're very upset. So always remember, what upsets me is what is your perception of the situation. The situation does not upset you, but it is your interpretation of the situation which actually upsets you. So anger just doesn't happen. If anger, suppose something, I came late, say I came 10 minutes late. One person must be angry, or 20 people may not be angry. He may be angry because he has interpreted the situation, oh, I had to reach the station and I have to leave because in 5 minutes since I have to catch a next train, which is very legitimate. Okay? So the situation does not decide that it's making you angry. It is your interpretation of the situation which makes you angry. So any time when you are upset, you're angry, you're envious, you're jealous, you're impatient, what is your interpretation of the situation at that time? What are you talking to yourself? You see, 60% of our time, we spend in talking to ourselves. Oh, I'm late. What will happen? I have to report to the boss. I don't know what he's going to tell me. This is what he'll say. So this is what happens, you see. So it is your interpretation of the situation that upsets you. You have to be very, very careful in reading your own mind. That's very important. Okay. Now once you have understood your personality, you have understood your emotions, now how do I go about dealing with all this? Okay, I know what I want, I know where I need to be guided. So how do I deal with these emotions? They come a lot in my way. So your personality can become more and more effective if you start thinking about your health, because health is a very big factor of your personality. If you have all the wealth in the world but don't have health, you cannot manage all these emotions because your health is upsetted now because of these emotions. So I need to take charge of my health. My food planning is very important. So please, as to make your personality more and more effective, take charge like going for your morning walks or evening walks, doing your breathing exercises, having the right type of food. Now when I say right type of food, I don't say that you should be very fussy. Don't eat this, don't eat that. But regular intake of food at the right time is very important. Like every 3 hours, if you have a small meal, instead of having a big bulky meal, it's better to eat small, frequent meals so that your energy burst is there in your body and you can deal with these emotions which are creating havoc. That's very important. And the next part is your sleep. Your sleep has to be minimum 7 hours at least. So, sometimes we need these power naps, and these power naps make you more productive. That's very important. So even if your mind has to be rested. Basically, it is your mind which is in a turmoil. So when you are rested in your mind, by getting your regular hours of sleep, you can have your breathing pattern which is giving you a sign that you are not in a proper frame of mind. Therefore, mind control is very important. What are the thoughts that are rushing in your mind? Just say stop. Put a stop to the thought processes. Just bang the table and say stop. Suddenly you realize that, oh God, I'm feeling so relaxed, and I take a deep breath and I just don't think of anything. I'm like a balloon. Just let's go of all the